How to download and play Roblox on your PC or laptop. This tutorial shows you how to get Roblox up and running on your computer. First, open your preferred web browser on your PC or laptop. After that, type in roblox.com in the address bar and press enter to open the official Roblox website. From there, click on Sign Up if you don't have an account yet, or Log in if you already have one. At this point, once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the Roblox homepage. In the next step, click on any game you want to play to open its page. Following this, click on the Play button to launch the game. Once done, a prompt will appear asking you to download the Roblox Player installer. Click on Download and Install Roblox to begin. From here, once the installer file is downloaded, open it from your Downloads folder and run it. At this stage, Roblox will automatically install on your computer. This only takes a few seconds. After this, once the installation is complete, Roblox will launch automatically and load directly into the game you selected. Finally, from this point on, whenever you click play on any Roblox game, it will launch instantly without needing to install again. And that's it. If this guide helped you download and set up Roblox on your PC or laptop, give it a like, subscribe for more Roblox tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.